Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Meta Pixel and CAPI for Shopify retargeting step by step clearly. To set up Meta Pixel and CAPI for Shopify retargeting, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left sidebar, select Online Store. Then, click on Preference. If you haven't created a Meta Pixel yet, go to the Facebook Events Manager. Click on Connect Data Sources and select Web. Choose Facebook Pixel. Follow the prompts to create your new pixel. Once the pixel is created, copy the pixel ID provided. Return to your Shopify admin panel. In the Facebook Pixel section, paste the pixel ID into the designated field. Save your changes in Shopify. Next, you will need to set up the Conversions API, or CAPI. Go back to the Facebook Events Manager. Select your pixel, then click on Settings. Scroll down to find the Conversions API section. Click on Create Access Token. Copy the access token that is generated. Now, return to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify settings, navigate to Apps. Search for the Facebook app and open it. In the Facebook app settings, look for the Data Sharing settings. Select Maximum for data sharing. Paste your access token into the appropriate field. Click Save to apply your changes. Next, check if your pixel is working correctly. You can do this by using the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. After installing the extension, visit your store's homepage. The extension will show whether your pixel is firing correctly. If everything is set up properly, you are now ready to use your Meta Pixel and CAPI for retargeting. Use this data to create effective retargeting campaigns on Facebook. Monitor your campaigns regularly to optimize performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.